And finally, parachuting beavers what in the 1940s?
Was a popular euphemism.
For what?
Invading Crete.
Creek?
Crete.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, you were on a beaver theme.
I thought you were calling sex invading the creek, and I loved that. I loved that.
Well, we can do a retake if you like.
It's a more interesting answer than the rather obvious.
Parachuting beavers killed 15 civilians in the 1940s.
Were they trained by MI5?
Yeah, but you can't direct the parachuting beaver. Once he's out there, he's out there.
Good for all those German dams, though.
Parachuting beavers imitated Churchill. We are parachuting beavers.
Parachuting beavers thrown out of planes in the 1940s. An historian in the US state of Idaho has unearthed a video of the Great Beaver Trip of 1948, a relocation plan for the state's beavers. Here it is.
Now into the air and down they swing, box open, and a most unusual and novel trip ends for Mr. Beaver.
What? How can it be cheaper to drop them from planes rather than just take them in a car and just there you are? I'm not flying EasyJet again, thanks very much. Well, hello, boy.
What happens if the box doesn't open when they hit the ground as well?
They're beavers.